So, you just made a great deal with one of your creditors. They say you owe $8,000 on your credit card, but you can't afford to pay all of that. So you make a deal and they say, you know what, we'll satisfy this account if you pay us $5,000 and we'll just wipe out the other $3,000. But did you know that if you did that, you could end up paying taxes on that $3,000? Hi, I'm Steve Richardson. I'm a collection defense lawyer here in Southern New Jersey, and that could happen. That's a little trap that I try to advise my clients on when they're trying to make deals with their creditors. And I've helped a lot of people to make deals that allow them to address debt affordably without filing bankruptcy. But that's something you have to be very careful about. Under the IRS code, if you have a certain amount of debt that is forgiven, then that's considered income by the IRS, and they can tax you on it. And in fact, that creditor who made that deal agreed to accept $5,000 instead of $8,000. It's going to send a 1099 to the IRS saying they forgave $3,000, and you may end up paying taxes on that. Now, that's not to say that that deal isn't a good one, but nobody likes surprises. If you're going to make a deal to make a lump sum payment, compromise amount to a creditor, then make sure you do that in consultation with a tax professional. So you look at it and say, okay, if I made this deal, if I pay $5,000 on an $8,000 debt and they forgive the other $3,000, what are the potential tax liabilities? Your accountant can then advise you of that, and then you can make plans to set aside enough money to pay the taxes. It may still be a good deal. You may still save a lot of money on that. But as long as you're prepared at tax time, you're not surprised by it, you're not blindsided by it, then that's always better. So bear in mind when you make these deals, when you make these lump sum settlement deals with creditors, that you could end up paying taxes on the amount that they agree to forgive. And make a plan so that you don't have any unnecessary surprises. And if you live here in Southern New Jersey and you're trying to work out a deal on a debt that's $8,000 or more, and you would like assistance in negotiating with that, then please feel free to give my office a call. I've helped a lot of people work out their debts with creditors to a point where it is affordable and they can move on without having to file bankruptcy.